How to set the sintering curve with the VSF 300 furnace. First, click Program Set. Then click Next to add a new sintering program. You can name this curve, for example, 3D Prism. On the screen, you'll see 3 columns. The first column is rate. The second column is target temperature. The third column is hold time. Now, let's set the parameters according to the sintering curve. Step 1. Enter 6, 1000, and 10 in the cells. Step 2. Enter 5, 1500, and 120 in the cells. Next, set the cooling parameters. Cooling rate, 60 degrees Celsius per minute. Cooling to 900 degrees Celsius. Opening temperature, 900 degrees Celsius. Cooling time, 180 seconds. Then, click Save. This program will be saved as P14. Go back by clicking Back, then select Custom Program. Enter 14, and click OK. Return to the main menu, choose Sintering Zirconia. And you'll find the newly created P14 sintering curve. Finally, click Start to begin the sintering process. For more tips and tutorials, subscribe to our channel and explore more about Vsmile dental furnaces.